Hello all, have a good day. This is just an informative video on what is the meaning of CT value of the COVID RT-PCR test. The lesser is the CT value, if it is 10 or 12, that means the viral load is more. And the more the CT value, if it's a 28 or let us say 32 or 34, that means the viral load is less. So what is CT? It's a cycle threshold. Each cycle represents the measure of work that is done by the RT-PCR equipment. And what we need to understand is the virus is very small and 1 million copies are needed if the machine has to identify the presence of the virus. So that is the principle of this machine. It basically amplifies or keep multiplying the viral units till they reach a threshold value of, let us say, 1 million copies. Once it is reached, the virus is detected. As you can see here, let us say the swab contains 1 viral unit and the specimen is introduced into the RT-PCR equipment. After one cycle, you will be getting 2 units. After the second cycle, you will get 4 units. It goes on like that, and 10 cycles will amplify it by 1000 times. So a 1 unit of the virus after 10 cycles will become 1000 units. So here is an explanation with 2 separate swab samples. On the left side, swab A. See, to start with, it contains just 1 unit of the virus in the swab. So once you introduce it into the equipment, after 1 cycle it becomes 2 units. After 5 cycles, it becomes 32 units. 1000 units are reached after 10 cycles. And it goes on, and 1 million copies of the viral units are made with 20 cycles of the RT-PCR machine. So the CT value on the left side for the swab A is 20. And it has a very low viral load of 1. Now on the right side, swab B, see, it contains 500 viral units. So after 1 cycle, you get 1000. After 5 cycles, you get 16,000. And it goes on. But here, as you can see, with just 11 cycles, you are able to reach 1 million copies of the viral units. So a CT value of 11 indicates a high viral load of 500 units in the swab. Hope it was easy to understand. The take-home message is, before getting the RT-PCR test, avoid steaming and salt gargling for at least 3 hours prior to the testing, and avoid food and water intake for at least 1 hour prior to the testing, because they may hinder with the swab sample. Thank you all. Stay safe.